Hi students, welcome to third standard science class video session, lesson 9, it's raining. In today's session, we are going to learn about sources of fresh water. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn lesson 9, it's raining, topic sources of fresh water. On the landscape, fresh water is stored in rivers, lakes, reservoirs, and creeks and streams. Most of the water people use every day comes from these sources of water on the land surface. The two main sources of fresh water are groundwater and surface water. Groundwater seeps through soil and cracks in rocks. Surface water flows over land, then collects in river, lakes, streams, and reservoirs. Fresh water may include water in ice sheets, ice caps, glaciers, icebergs, bogs, ponds, lakes, river, stream, and even underground water called groundwater. Water is critical to the survival of all living organisms. Some organisms can thrive on salt water, but the great majority of higher plants and most mammals need fresh water to live. Fresh water is not always potable water, that is, water safe to drink. Much of the earth's fresh water is to a sustainable degree unsuitable for human consumption without some treatment. Fresh water can easily become polluted by human activities or due to natural occurring processes such as erosion. Lake, ponds, streams, rivers are the sources of fresh water. A lake is a water body surrounded by land on all sides. They are either fresh or saltwater bodies. A pond is an area filled with water, either natural or artificial, that is smaller than a lake. It may arise naturally in floodplains as a part of river system or be a somewhat isolated depressions. It may contain shallow water with aquatic plants and animals. A stream is a body of running water flowing on the earth. Also, any body of flowing fluid. Rivers are large streams that flow over the land. They are freshwater bodies which generally originate at mountainous areas. They usually drain in oceans or seas. Groundwater is the water present beneath Earth's surface in soil pore spaces and in the fractures of rock formations. A unit of rock or unconsolidated deposit is called an aquifer when it can yield a usable quality of water. So the groundwater fills the spaces between soil particles and fractured rock underground. Rain is liquid water in the form of droplets that have condensed from atmospheric water vapor and then become heavy enough to fall under gravity. Rain is a major component of water cycle and is responsible for depositing most of the fresh water on the earth. Rivers and lakes are the permanent freshwater inland surface waters, including water courses and water bodies. Some 179 species covered by the Habitats Directive are linked to lake and river ecosystem. How much of earth water is fresh water? 3% of earth water is fresh. 2.5% of the earth's fresh water is unavailable. That means locked up in glaciers, polar ice caps, atmosphere, and soil. highly polluted, or lies too far under the earth's surface to be extracted at an affordable cost. 0.5% of the earth water is available fresh water. According to the US Geological Survey, most of the 3% is inaccessible. Over 68% of the fresh water on earth is found in ice caps and glaciers, and just over 30% is found in groundwater. Only about 0.3% of our fresh water is found in the surface of water of lakes, rivers, and ponds. Here is a bar chart showing where all water on, in, and above the earth exists. The left side bar chart shows how almost all the earth water is saline and is found in oceans. A small amount that is actually fresh water, only relatively smaller portion is available to sustain human, plant, and animal life. So, in the first bar, notice how only 2.5% of earth water is fresh water, the amount needed for life to survive. The middle bar shows the breakdown of fresh water. Almost all of it is locked up in ice and in the ground. Only a little more than 1.2% of all fresh water is surface water, which serve most of the life needs. The right bar shows the breakdown of surface fresh water. Most of this water is locked up in ice, and another 20.9% is found in lakes. River make up 0.49 of surface fresh water. Although river account for only a small amount of fresh water, this is where humans get a large portion of their water. Have a nice day.